Hello! So I'm going to show you today how to do a paper mat. You need a paper, a scissor, a pencil, a ruler, and some colored stripes. Okay, so first of all, let's get all of this away. We need a paper. We are gonna half it. No need to care for this writing, because we don't care about that. And just do little lines. So I'm gonna do much of the ruler, and I'm gonna leave a line like that. Here. It came like that. I did a line like that. Okay, good. If you can see can you see these lines right here and right somewhere? I'll just darken it so you can see. Can you see now? I'm sure you can. So I did like that. You're gonna stay doing the same size for each. You know, April's Fool Day, I never heard of that before. A channel called Mystery Doll just taught me about that. And he told me that in April Fool Day, you would make people laugh and joke. Okay, stay going. Can you see? It's like I did a jail. Then on the end we're gonna check if it isn't truly saying. Okay. But don't do wavy lines like me. Okay, now I did it. I am gonna cut through these. Okay. I am gonna just get this because by accident I did something wrong. Let's do it in the open side. Oh yeah, in the open side. Steph B, not in the closed side, but I did. You in the closed side. Crazy me. And I'm gonna get the scissor and cut the lines that I did. Okay, so I already did all of this. And I'm cutting on the lines now. Here. This must be the lock. You can see. My little t-shirt. Yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna open the paper here. That. Now I don't need the pencil anymore. I will get my color. This is one. Let me put inside and side out. Oopsie. Oh, I did all of my best. The camera just went off. So that's why I said I did all of my best. I thought it was just gonna close and I didn't want to do that. Okay, here I'm going up and down making a pattern. Gonna take my second color, and that's pink. Let me just remove that extra part because we don't need it. Then we're gonna go up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Now I'm gonna take the purple and do another pattern. I told you, so you can even do it like painting. You can paint your paper and do it into stripes. You can make it more harder. Yeah, you can make it more harder. Don't take it easy. Okay? And also, do you know the time of Corona? That time, there's nothing opened. That's the time I'm doing the paper. It's a very bad time. Okay? Let's just stay going to our work. Whoa. Just one bad. Here, these are my favorite colors. Now I just have one more color, and that's green. Let me put that. So we have then no. Yeah. Okay, I am nearly done. Do you see how I do it? It's called a paper mat, and you're paper waving. Because it's like wave. Go up and down, go up and down. Like that. We finished. Can't you see how beautiful? Huh? I'm going to show you. My face is a paper mat. Okay, here. It's just slipping, so I need to put it so it doesn't break again. Okay, bye. Bye.